चलो क्वेश्चंस करते हैं। Arun ranks 12th in a class of 46. What will be his rank from the last?
तो ए।
हम्म। क्या बता रही हो?
ए।
ए।
Sir, none of these.
1 2 3 12 एंड दिस इज टिल 46। टोटल 46 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, ठीक है। एंड हिज रैंक इज 12th, और उसकी रैंक 12th है, वो यहाँ पर है। तो अब अगर यहाँ से शुरू करें, लास्ट से शुरू करें, तो हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स विल बी हियर फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस? कितने हो जाएंगे ये? 46 - 12 है ना? दैट इज 34। तो ये वाला जो होगा ये 34th होगा। दिस विल बी, जो 13 वाला है ना, उसकी लास्ट से रैंक 34th है। तो 12th वाला क्या होना चाहिए? 35th। So rank of the student from the end should be this. 46 - 12 किया, 34 स्टूडेंट हो गए, एंड ही विल बी 35th। ठीक है। How many numbers are there from 1 to 50 which are divisible by 7 but not 3? One to 50 numbers divisible by 7 but not 3.
5, sir.
Hmm.
So 5.
5, because it will be 7 into 7, 49. So there'll be 7 numbers divisible by 7. But out of those 7 numbers, how many are divisible by 3 as well? 24 and 42.
21 and 42.
Hmm? So the answer is 7 minus 2.
Sir, 21 and 42.
Oh, sorry, 21 and 42. So answer would be 5. So numbers divisible by 7, 1, 2. Raksha, how much you getting in maths, JE?
83.
How much?
83.
83. All right. That's very good. And including aptitude, what is the score?
235.
235. All right. And this time you have answered both the questions?
Yes, sir.
Good. Find similar number set of numbers to the set options 8, 64, 46. B, 11, 111, 84. C, 7, 49, 98. D, 9, 84, 45.
Sir, A.
So you can find the pattern. हाँ, similar question आते हैं. So the pattern is, if you look at this given to us, here we have 6. So this is a square of that number, 6 square. And then you basically reverse the digit. 6 square gives you 36. And then you interchange the digits, it will be 63. So this is a pattern. Give a number, square it, and then interchange the digits. 8 square 64, interchange the digits. Answer will be A. So you can easily identify the pattern. Good. square the number, then interchange the digits. Select the missing number. Find the pattern. Look at the last row. The numbers are pretty large. In the fourth row, the numbers are generally large. So you can seek some kind of pattern. Are these numbers multiplied or some multiplied, added, or cubed, squared, or added, whatever? What is the pattern? Square, 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 add. Square, 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 add. So since the last row has large numbers, it means it could be multiplication of all these, or it could be sum and squaring and summing it up. So if you find 7 square, 4 square, 2 square, you get 69. If you square 3, 9, and 1, add them, then it's 91. 3 square, 9 square, 1 square is 91. So the question mark would be 2 square plus 6 square, that's 40, plus 5 square, that's 25. 65 is the answer. 65. 2 square, 6 square, 5 square.
फिर आप एक बार वापस जा सकते हो। ठीक है सर।
स्कोर आ गया नाटा का कितना? Hmm? Numbers 5 to 85, which are exactly divisible by 5, are arranged in a descending order.
None of these.
None of these. See, when you're in descending order, first you write decreasing order. So it'll be 85, then it'll be 80 like that. And from the bottom, ah, that means the bottommost would be 5 only. So what's the answer? None of these? Otherwise, what is the answer? It'll be 10th. This would be 10th, right? 5 tens are 50. So 55 would be the number which is at 11th position. Hmm? Yes, Devansh. 9 is the answer. Look at the pattern. This number is divided by this and added with 1. 8 by 4 plus 1, 3. Then 6 by 3 plus 3, 5. 4 by 2 plus 5, which is 7. So it will be 2 divided by 1 plus 7. Answer is 9.
Option C.
See? Ananya's salary you can take as X. Ritika's salary is 80% of Ananya. So Ritika's salary is 80% of Ananya, that is 0.5, 0.8x. And Anushka's salary is 150% of Ritika. So Anushka will be 150%, that is 1.5 into Ritika's salary, 0.8x. And then you can find the ratio. Ratio of Ananya's salaries to Anushka's. Ananya's salary is X divided by 1.5x into 0.8x. So this will cancel. 100 divided by 15 into 8. 5 to 6. C is the answer.
So 60 seconds.
सोच समझ के आंसर करो. Think loudly. Hmm? Up to 60 feet. He climbs 5 feet in 1 second, but slips down 4 feet also. So effectively in 1 second he is climbing. नहीं, in the same time. 60 नहीं होगा.
तो 1/6 होगा क्या?
नहीं नहीं, in one
So
second.
56 seconds.
Yes, 56 is the correct answer. Why 56 is correct answer? Let's try to understand. In 55 seconds, he'll reach how much high? 55 feet, right? In 55 seconds, he'll be able to reach 55 feet. Now, the very next second, he'll be climbing. So first he'll be climbing, so he's already reached to the top. First he climbs 5 feet, no? So he has reached 60 feet. So at least he has reached. Then he'll slip, no doubt. But he has reached. He has to reach to the top. He has climbed. So that is why the answer would be 55 plus 1. And he'll slip down by 4 feet after climbing 60 feet. After climbing 60, he'll be falling to 4 feet again. But he has climbed to 60 feet. Hmm? In simple interest, you calculate interest on the only the principal. He has taken a loan of 200 rupees. P is 200.
So 115.
Hmm. After 1 year, what will be the interest? After 1 year, interest will be P R T divided by 100.
Yeah.
That is 10 rupees. That means amount due after 1 year would be 210. After 1 year, amount due is 210. Out of which he has paid how much?
100 rupees.
100 rupees. So it'll be the due amount would be 110. So the next year principal would be how much? 100 rupees only. Interest is 5. Interest is 10 rupees. So no interest on 10 rupees, but principal would be, because out of this 110, 100 is the principal and the interest is 10 rupees. In simple interest, you don't calculate interest on the simple in the interest. So after 1 year, principal is 100. So now what will be the interest? Simple interest would be P R T by 100. So 5 rupees interest. So this 110 plus 5. Answer would be 115. In the second year, interest will be calculated only on 100 rupees because he has already paid. So no interest on 100 rupees, only on the amount left, which was 100 rupees.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर,
Hmm.
इसमें जो आपने सेकेंड ईयर का वो इंटरेस्ट निकालने के लिए आप 110 नहीं लोगे एज प्रिंसिपल बिकॉज
Simple,
अमाउंट
in simple interest, interest is calculated only on the principal amount, not on the interest. Because out of 110 rupees, 10 rupees is the interest.
बट यू विल कंसिडर 110 में से आप इंटरेस्ट निकालोगे ना विच विल बी एडेड टू
No, no, no.
110
What was the principal in the beginning? 200.
200
Out of which he has already paid 100 rupees.
हाँ तो 110 बचा
Ah. So out of 200, he has paid already 100, only also 100, 100 is paid already. So the principal left is 100 rupees only. On the interest, you don't calculate any interest. This is the rule of simple interest. In
Okay, sir.
simple interest, interest is not calculated over the interest. Even after 5 years, interest would be PRT by 100. Same. Otherwise, it will become compounding.
Okay, sir.
Yes, would be the principal. If it's compounding, then 110 would be the principal. Hmm?
Southeast.
Sir, southeast.
Yes, sir, south.
The clock is so oriented that at 9 a.m. the minute hand points towards northeast. So can draw the clock. 9 a.m. means HH would be here and MH would be here. RN the minute hand, you know, and the directions are already given to us. It is pointing towards northeast, the minute hand. This is northeast. So if this is northeast, what should be the directions? So these are the directions. Now 3 p.m. means HH would be here. So this is southeast. The trick is you first draw the clock. Accordingly, take the directions. First you draw the clock, then draw the directions, and then you find the direction.
Option B.
According to the question, if A fires 5 shots, B will fire 3. So proportion of shots is this. Suppose A is getting 5x number of chances, then BX would be getting 3x shots, right? The proportion is, the ratio is 5:3. That means if A gets 5x chances to shot, B will get 3x. But A kills once in 3 shots. So as far as kills are concerned, how many kills for this? A will be 5x by 3, 1/3. Whereas for B, how many kills? Half. Once in 2. So success rate of B is 50%. So number of kills would be 1/3 for A, one half for B. This is fine. So if he got how many shots? 3x. Killed how many? So how many he missed? He missed 3x minus 3x by 2. That is 3x by 2, which has been given to us. B has missed 27 times. X is 18. X is 18. That means A has killed how many? 5 by 3 into 18. 30.
सर आपने डिवाइड क्यों किया मतलब 5x/3 ऐसे मतलब एक
Hmm?
एक आपने डिवाइड वैसे क्यों डिवाइड वाला कॉन्सेप्ट समझ नहीं आया सर
Yeah, this one. Number
जी
of kills.
जी सर
These are total number of shots, but he's killing only once in 3. Matlab his success rate is 1/3.
ओके
If
सर
total shots are 90, he'll be killing only 30 from 90. He's not, in every shot, he's not killing. The success rate is 1/3. That
ओके
is
सर
why you divide. Hmm? See, if I put time limit, then you will get nervous. Pick.
125.
Sir, 125.
1 by 2 is 0.5. 1 by 4 is 0.25. 1 by 8 is 0.125. Fraction, if we can remember, will be helpful. 1 by 3 is 0.33. So it'll be like this. Five cube.
So C.
So 15.
Is it 15?
Yes, sir.
Read the question again. Their time intervals are given. Okay? So they will sound together when you find the LCM of these numbers. You know? When you find LCM of these time intervals, they will be sounding together. Because one bell is sounding at 2 seconds, another 4 seconds. So that means if I take only first two bells, they will sound together at 4 seconds, where the LCM is 4. If I take these three, they will sound together at 12 seconds because LCM of 2, 4, and 6 is 12. So you can first find LCM of all this. Dekho, what is the LCM?
So 120.
120 is LCM.
Yes, sir.
That means they'll sound together at an interval of 120 seconds. That is 2 minutes. What is the total time? 30 minutes. So 30 divided by 2, 15. But the answer is not 15 because so when they start together, no? So the first one will be counted also. When they start, they are sounding together. So that will be also counted. So
Sir,
answer would be
so कौन सा वाला काउंट होगा वापस?
first wala, the first one. When they begin, they sound together. Then after 2 minutes, then after 4 minutes, like that.
Okay, sir. So 28.
Right, because in these questions, this is not the proportion. You need to identify some kind of pattern. From this number, how do you get this number?
Twice and then -6.
Yes. Multiply the number by 2 and subtract 6. So that way, multiply 17 by 2 and then subtract 6. This is the answer. So that is why the question is from the given alternatives. Nine. Then there could be many things like 13 is there, you add 7 to it. 17 plus 7. So that is why they will give. Hmm? Hmm. Oh, that was degree of difficulty was more because you have already done this question. It was NATA question only.
Six kilometer per hour.
Hmm? How much?
6 kilometer per hour.
In still water, you can take VB. River, you can take VR. So downstream, speeds are added, and the speed would be equal to distance upon time. So VB plus VR is equal to 8. Upstream It'll be VB minus VR. Time taken is 4 hours. Distance remain the same. Then you add VB and first and second equation. Answer would be 6 kilometer per hour. The sum of all factors of 50 is
93.
93.
Yes, sir, 93.
93 or 8? 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 10, 15, 20, 25.
सर 20 नहीं आएगा ना सर?
अच्छा हाँ, फिर तो 15 is also not there.
Sir.
1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 10, then it'll be 25
Yes, sir.
and then 50. $93?
जी सर.
This is square of side A. Find the ratio of area blue to red. Ratio of areas. This is basically an arc. This is also an arc. Area of blue to red.
So 3/4.
3/4.
Yes, sir, 3/4.
तो एक ही टर्म में आंसर नहीं होगा?
No, it's a ratio. See, I gave you the formula for this area. If you remember, it was 7,
4a² by 7.
स्क्वायर बाय 7। हाँ।
4 by 7 a square, right? So the area of the red is 4 by 7 a square always. Remember this result. And the blue would be the area of the square, which is this, minus the leaf, which is 4 by 7 a square. So this would be 3a square by 7 divided by 4a square by 7. 3 is to 4. So remember this result.
So 27%. So is it right?
I don't know. I don't have answer to this. Let's calculate. Profit percent or gain percentage is always SP by CP minus 1 into 100. Increase the cost price of an object by 35%. Suppose CP is X. So new CP would be how much? It has increased by 35%. That means X into 1.35. If you want to increase something by 35%, simply multiply by 1.35. If you want to increase something by 50%, multiply by 1.5. Shortcut method. If you want to decrease something by 10%, multiply by 0.9. If you want to decrease something by 30%, multiply by 0.7. So you increasing the cost price by 35%. So I have multiplied. So this is a new cost price. Then he says, then how much discount should give to gain a profit of 8%. Now this CP we have to give the discount on this. So this will be basically the sell price for the person, isn't it? This will be the selling price for the person. So this would be SP for the person he's selling it to. So you have to give some kind of discount on this to gain 8% of profit. So say this is 8%. And what will be SP we can find out? And this will be the new sell price. No, this would be what?
सर कॉस्ट प्राइस तो इंक्रीज हो गई ना, तो 1.35x भी लेंगे.
No. See, for him, what is the cost price? Salesperson. I mean, for him, in fact, this is basically SP for the customer. This is SP for the customer, sale price for the customer. So which has increased by 35%. So which is 1.35x. But then the cost price should have taken X, not 1.35x, because it should remain X only, no? This should be, ये तो X ही होना चाहिए था. Wording is slightly confusing. Because what is the cost price should be sell price for the customer. So he's gaining 8% profit by the new sell price. So we can calculate this 8 by 100 plus 1 SP by X. 108 by 100. So this is SP. He's basically selling at this price. And he's quoting how much price? He's quoting this. He says to the customer, this is the price. Okay. And on original price, he's gaining 8%. So this discounted sell price is this. This is a discounted sell price. After he has given some kind of discount, this is the sell price. This is the original sell price. So how do you find the discount percentage? Discount percentage would be original sell price 1.35. I'll write it 135 by 100x minus the discounted sell price divided by the original sell price by into 100. That should be your answer. should have taken the original sale price as 100 rupees. That was a better method. Take original sale price 100 rupees. The new sale price would be 135 because there's an increase of 135 rupees. Now gain is this. I think this is better method. Take 100 rupees. 8% is the profit. So discounted sale price is SP, which is this, and the cost is 100. You find SP from this into 100. कितना आ रहा है ये?
Take the cost price as 135 itself.
Can we
See,
take he has already increased the cost price, no? For him, the initial price was X only. Initially, the price was X 100 rupees. He has inflated the price by 35%. It became 135. Now he wants to give the discount. So new sell price is 108. Now understand. He's saying that the sell price is this, but he is giving some kind of discount on this. So how much discount he has given? He's quoting 135 rupees. He's selling it at 108. So what is discounted money? Discounted money is 27 rupees. The discounted is 27 rupees. On what? This is on 135 rupees. So 27 divided by 135 into 100. This will be the discount percentage on 135 rupees. दोबारा explain करता हूँ. Forget this. This is a longer method. Initially, the sell price was 100 rupees. He's increased the price. So the price has become now 135 rupees. He wants to gain a profit of 8%. So profit percentage is 8. He should give some kind of discount, which is, say, the new sell price SP. Initial sell price was 100 minus 1 into 100. So this is 108. So the new sell price is 108. So the price on the object was 135. Now he's selling at 108. So he's given a discount of rupees 27. So what is 27 of 135? Because on 135 is the price for the customer. So 135, he is giving a discount of 27 rupees. So 27 by 135 into 100 would be the percentage discount. Your discount will be calculated on the SP. SP is not 100 now. SP is 135 because he has increased it. Again, understand. Initially, cost price sell SP is 100. He has inflated by 35%. This is a new SP for the customer. Now he gives some kind of discount so that he gains 8 rupees on this. 8%. He gives some discount so that he gains 8 rupees, 8% on 100 rupees. So he should sell it at 108. So the discounted amount is how much? Discounted amount is 27 rupees. So 27 rupees on 135. So that is the कितना आ रहा है ये?
20%.
20?
Yes, sir.
Answer is 20%. Discount percentage will be calculated on the SP.
Yes, I understood.
Initially, this should have been sell price. How many letters in English alphabet appear the same when inverted? How many letters in English alphabet appear the same when inverted? सोचो. 8 9 10 11. 8 9 10 11 ऑप्शन है. हाँ, इन्वर्टेड मतलब इन्वर्टेड लाइक दिस. इल भी ऊपर नीचे इन्वर्टेड. हाँ. डी. डी will be the same when inverted or not? D will be the same when inverted. E will be the same when inverted. F will not be the same. G will not be the same. H will be the same.
सर बी, बी रहेगा क्या? बी नहीं रहेगा,
D क्यों नहीं होगा?
बी होगा ना सर?
B होना चाहिए because B you write like this or all equal. ठीक है, you take it like this. फिर तो C will also be there. 10 कौन कौन से आ रहे हैं? This is ambiguity. O H I X K S नहीं होगा.
तो भी तो डिपेंड करता है ना, आई मीन कुछ लोग के का ऊपर वाला छोटा लिखते हैं ऐसे जो, तो अब तो बहुत डिबेटेबल हो गया ना ये
वही
तो.
है. I think 9 is the answer in the NATA question 9. ठीक है, ending the class. See you next time.
थैंक यू सर.
But write mail to NATA people, COA as well as PMO. Because the student who are writing the entrance this year is unfair for them. Because they have changed the pattern.